Hey guys, another Tuesday, another food vlog, and this time we are in Quay, Singapore. Actually, this place has a lot of restaurants with different unique cuisines, so I'm going to be coming here quite often. Do you love the view behind me? I love it too, and that's why I come here. Do you see all those tables lined across the river? We're going to be seated in one of those places, and the place we are visiting today is going to be a surprise. I'm going to show you once I'm there. It's not a very famous place as such. However, I just saw this and I wanted to try it out, so we'll go there and check it out. Walking to the restaurant, I just stumbled upon this beautiful artwork. It shows the traditional days. Basically, I think a British, a Malay and a Chinese talking to each other. The river merchant. So basically the whole Singapore was developed across this river from the ancient days, even before the British era. So this part is basically showing how the river merchants helped Singapore become what it is today. Probably another time. Today we already have something on my video.
Hey, hello.
We will definitely come to your place maybe in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Thank you. Usually it is not so calm and less crowded because of this impact, and it's not being a weekend yet, so it's not very crowded, guys. Definitely a good place to visit in Singapore. I've had food here before. If you come here, you should visit this place, guys. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay, so we are here at the place. The place is called Bombay Grill, guys.
Samosa, pakoda. So friends, if you take a look at the texture, it's regular samosa that you will find anywhere else. I like the taste, but I won't say that I'll be the best. But yeah, I definitely like the taste. Good. There are different ways to make the pakoda. Basically, this is one of the ways, by adding chopped vegetables inside. Looks very fresh out of the frying pan, and then it's very crispy. I like it. I'm going to have a bite of butter chicken and naan. I'm having garlic naan and butter chicken. The butter chicken looks very well cooked, tender and juicy. As soon as it goes into my mouth, saliva just flows all over. That says a lot about the food. Flavor wise, it's typical any butter gravy that you can see in India. Paneer butter masala, butter chicken, all are similar.
Coming to the restaurant, it was okay. I don't think I'm gonna go there again. The staff, to be honest, was not very friendly, and you know, the service sucks. The lady there was nice, the other guy was really terrible. So final review: samosas were good but a lot of oil. Pakodas were very good. Butter chicken disappointed me. at the end, the beginning it was nice, but as I was finishing it, I found out a lot of pieces of chicken was undercooked, and I could get that raw smell from the chicken. Overall, I think I'm going to give it a miss. So that is how our food vlog ends, and we are now on our way back to the metro station. See you in the next video, guys. Ciao.